Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Lauren and I am back in the G&G shop today to share with you a little live that I did on Instagram, sharing some sneak previews and all the details of our special Sewing Society event that is coming up this weekend on Saturday the 5th of October. So I will switch over to the live recording now. You'll hear me just read out some of the comments that people are asking as I was chatting along live. But if you are watching here on YouTube and you've got any questions or anything at all, then please feel free to leave it in the comments below, or you can always get in touch directly by emailing the team too. The details of that will be in the description. So yeah, I'll switch over to the live now and I'll see you very soon. Yeah, welcome to the shop floor. So I've decided to do a live today. So it's been, must be like just over 6 months since I just took a little pause in doing my weekly lives on a Monday evening, just while I had the baby and had a little baby. But yeah, I'm starting to kind of get back into things a little bit more. Not quite ready, I'm afraid, to commit to a weekly one, but yeah. I wanted to come and chat to you today about something very special and something exciting that we have got coming up. So if you are a subscriber to our newsletter, and specifically the Sewing Society, then normally, as it's the first Wednesday of the month, you would be expecting an email in your inbox at midday with our latest kit. But you might have noticed that you don't have one today. You don't have a brand new kit, and that is because we are celebrating something, a really incredible milestone for the Sewing Society kits and the G&G team and everything this weekend in a special event. So we started making the kits back in 2019 and we've been making hundreds of kits every month, pretty much every month since then, and this month will see us sell our 20,000th, is that how you say it? Sewing Society kit, which is such an incredible achievement. And if you have bought and made our lovely kits, then thank you very much. And we wanted to just sort of mark that milestone and have a special event. So not only is it a special event this Saturday on the 5th of October, which is where you'll be able to get your hands on the new kits. First of all, they're going to release online on Sunday, so if you're too far away to come to the shop or you can't make it, don't worry. There will be stock left over on Sunday, so don't panic. We've got some allocated for both parts of the weekend. But I've lost my train of thought. That's what happens when you're sleep deprived and you've got a baby. But yeah, we're having this special event on Saturday, and really it's about bringing the kits to life, and that you can just sort of get really immersed in what the kit is all about. And to coincide with that, it will also be the launch of a new fabric collection that I've designed in collaboration with Rachel Parker. So they will be launched as part of the kits as well, so you'll be able to see them too. So kind of like two exciting things happening in the one event. So yeah, you'll be able to come along on Saturday and to sort of reflect the top tips video that you get as part of the Sewing Society kit, which is really like I make the videos with Becca, and it's really all of our extra tips and knowledge and experience of making different sewing patterns, trying out different techniques to really give you a happy, successful sewing experience of making the kit. And we usually add in extra things into the videos, so it might be like an extra technique or a little hack or something. And at the event on Saturday, you're going to get a chance to sort of try out some of the types of techniques and tips that we include in the videos too, so it will almost be like bringing the videos to life a little bit. So that is really exciting. And then also, we have got some special gifts that will be hidden in some of the new kits that are coming out. So it might be if you get one of the new kits and you open it up, you've got an extra little gift in there. So we have partnered up with Genome, and they have donated the top gift, which is the Golden Stitch, and this is a Genome overlocker. So yeah, if you want to like really up your dressmaking game and get an overlocker in your array of tools and machines and things that you use for dressmaking, then yeah, that is very exciting. But we do have some runner-up gifts that will be in amongst the kits as well. So one of them is a £50 voucher to spend in the shop on anything you like, and then we've also got a £25 voucher as well to spend in G&G. So That is also very, very exciting. And then to go along with the new fabrics that are going to be in the kits, I have collaborated with Mimiquins, who do these really amazing cool laser cut necklaces. So we've got 2 different styles of necklace that are going to complement 2 of the prints that are in the kits. Now, you know we like to keep up the suspense with the Sewing Society, so we won't be giving you a full view of what the fabrics are going to be like today, but you'll get like a little bit of a taste in the colours that are in the necklace. So there's 3 prints in total that are going to be coming out on Saturday. 3 different prints. One of them has 2 colourways, and the necklaces complement 2 of those prints. So one is called Jigsaw and one is called Segment. So you'll be able to also buy these necklaces as well. So we've got stock available if you wanted to get one, but these will also be included as the special gift. And so we've got 2 necklaces which will be a gift in one of the kits. So yeah, you might get one of these anyway, but they'll come in this cute little box. And then inside, so this is the Jigsaw necklace here, so you can see some of the lovely colours that are in it. So it's some really lovely, nice little geometric shapes that have got texture on them as well. Some of the pendants are kind of frosted. That's like a little pearly one there. So yeah, it's a lovely, really tactile necklace, and it's got an adjustable chain on the back as well. And then the other one in here, so this is the Segment one, and this has got some brighter colours in it here. So again, it's some nice geometric shapes. We've got the circle and the semicircle, and they've got nice textures on them too. So it's a little bit of a fabric clue there, but yeah. So yeah, so they will be the gifts that may be in one of the kits. We've got one of each, but you can buy them separately as well, if you didn't want to take the chance to see if it's going to be inside your kit. So loads of you have been sending lots of lovely comments as I'm chatting here, so I'm just going to check that I can see lots of familiar names. So hi everyone, it is so nice to see you all. Great to have you back. I'm in Sainsbury's, have to watch later. Don't worry, June. We are going to save it to the our Instagram profile, and we'll also put it up on YouTube as well, like I used to do. Nice to see you in my lunch break. Happy lunch break, everyone, if you're on your lunch break today. Lovely to have you back even occasionally. Looking forward to seeing what I might be spending my money on. I wish I was closer and not recovering from an operation. Get well soon. I love the tips videos. That's good to hear. Sadly, I didn't get to your store when I was in the UK. Don't worry, because we can ship things out to you anyway. Vouchers for G&G is the best gift a girl can get. Well, I think so, but I might be biased. And some of you liking the colours in the necklace as well. Okay, so is there anything else that I might need to share with you just now? It's a bit strange doing a live, because normally when I do it on a Monday evening, of course I'm in the shop on my own, and I've got, I can set all the lights and things up, and yeah, I've not got anybody around, but the shop is open today. So the team are here, they're busy cutting orders just now, and I've got Belle, who keeps me straight and everything, also here to help me too, so it's a little bit of a different experience for me doing a live. I've got someone else saying lovely to see you again while doing some baking, having just finished my Isla coat. Well done. If you finished your Isla coat already, that is incredible. It is such a meaty make. That was last month's kit. And yeah, I've seen another version. I think somebody emailed in a version that they'd made already. Looks incredible. Well done if you have made or are in the process of making your Isla coat. What inspired your latest fabric designs? Well, really, the story is, and how I sort of come to, if you've been following me regularly, you'll know that we've had quite a few of our own sort of G&G exclusive designs, this being one of them, the Chica Cheetah print that I'm wearing just now. And as someone who owns a fabric shop and has to buy fabric for it, I must see like literally thousands of different fabric prints every year, and when suppliers come and they're, you know, they show me their fabrics, and then I'm trying to pick what goes in the shop. But sometimes I'll have like an idea in my head of what I want, but I just can't find it. And that's really what sparked the idea of creating this latest collection, was that I wanted to be able to create a type, this garment that I had in my head, but I couldn't do it because I couldn't find the fabric, and that's, you know, that's really what the kits are all about. It's like making something and having that feeling of like, yeah, I made that. You know, it doesn't get old, does it, when you're wearing an outfit of clothes that you've made by yourself? It just feels really good, and that's what the kits are about. It's like wanting to give you that same awesome feeling too, of like being able to wear something and think, yeah, I made this. And yeah, I wanted to create these fabrics so that I could share that feeling with you. Can you tell us what time the kits will be live on Sunday? It's going to be in the morning. I'm like cautious to give you a specific time, because of like some technical logistics that I want to like mitigate against. And if you were trying to purchase a kit after our birthday event last year, you'll know that was like quite full on for the website. We're trying to avoid that happening again. It will be before midday, but yeah, we'll try and get ourselves into a position that we can like 100% confirm the time on Sunday before then, so you would know. But yeah, at the moment I'm just going to say it will be in the morning. Any clues at all what kind of fabric is it? Maybe it's going to be quite lightweight, silky type of fabric. It's not silk though. It's really nice. It's going to feel very like the garments that you make with this fabric are going to feel really special and luxurious. I bought all 3 colorways of the Be Happy Blooms and love them. Oh, that's great. Looking forward to seeing the new fabrics. Excellent. So yeah, if you've been following along on Instagram, you'll have seen that the G&G team have been absolutely amazing and like supporting me while I've had to take a little bit of a backseat while I look after the baby, and creating like loads of videos and sharing lots of inspiration with you. So over the next few months they're gonna be continuing to do that, but you will see me sort of popping up a little bit more. So it might be that I do some other lives, and yeah, I'm just involved in some videos a little bit more. Will this kit be suitable to wear in the office? Yeah, I think it could be. Yeah, I think both of them could be actually. So yeah, there's four fabric prints. Two are just like a different colorway of the same print. One print is in one kit and is a garment that you would have to wear with something else, and the other one has got the other 2 prints, and it is a garment that you could wear on its own if you wanted to. Is that enough of a clue? I know I'm always sort of weekly having to kind of think of clues for you, because when I did my regular weekly lives, you would always want little clues. So I hope that's enough to keep you going. You've not got long to wait anyway. But you will, even though you won't be able to buy the kit online until Sunday, you will see what is happening with the event on Saturday anyway, because we're going to be sharing it on Instagram, and we're also going to do like a YouTube sort of roundup video of the event that is this weekend as well, which includes the little demos that will be taking place on the Saturday. So if you can't make it, you'll be able to watch that video next week and yeah, get a feeling of what the event is like. Looking forward to you coming back with the lives. I really miss them. I know I miss them too. Any sneaky photos, Lauren? Tomorrow. Belle is telling me tomorrow. Hold out for tomorrow, Mel. Okay, well, if anybody has any other questions, please feel free to ask them now. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching me live. It's really lovely to see so many of you live as well. I really have missed you. And as soon as I am able to a little bit more confidently commit to doing something regular, on a weekly basis, then I'll be back to chat to you. Cannot wait, hope to see some of you on Saturday. Yeah, I will be around on Saturday too for as much of the day as I can be. But if you come along and I happen to like not be there at the time, then you will be in good hands of the G&G team. It might be that I'm just either like having to feed the baby or have lunch or something, but generally I will be around. Thank you for brightening up a damp day, no problem at all. Also, I know a lot of people usually ask what's happening in the window behind me here with the garments and everything. We do have a blog post and a video that talks through all of the garments that are in the window display, but there will be a new window display that is going in this weekend, so it will be changing on Friday so that it can showcase the new fabrics in the window. So yeah, if you're coming along on Saturday, you'll also see a new window display too. Jill, hi Jill, very exciting, can't be there on Saturday unfortunately, but we'll be waiting for the Sunday release. Excellent, thank you Lauren, always inspiring. No probs, I'm going to try and get to Brum on Saturday. Excellent, excellent. Yeah, hopefully there's no weather warnings or floods or any crazy weather by then, and it's easy to get here if you're traveling from afar. Hi Luke. Okay, well, thanks so much for watching everyone. As if you missed the beginning, then I am saving it to the Instagram profile so you can watch it back again if you want to, and we will also be popping it on YouTube later too, so you can always catch up on there too. It's so lovely to see you. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day and I'll see you soon. Bye. Yeah.